Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. You guys, it is October, so that means we are going to be planning our October planner or budget. So each page, like I always do, we're going to write down our paydays and then our bills, and then I have a kit that I'm going to use from Simply Cami. Absolutely love her. Her links will be down below. And then also for to write down all my bills, I'm going to use La Trousse Paperie. I bought this last month and I'm finally going to be able to use it. Alright, so this video is going to be super long. Just be patient. Make sure you subscribe down below before we get started. Let me know if you have any videos, and yeah, so let's just get right on into it. All right, so on the first we have some rent that is due, and that varies all the time. So, and I've just paid for it. Oop. All right, so rent was $1,158. And then we paid that already. All right, and then also on the first we have the credit card bill, and that was $42. So we're gonna say American. I'm gonna have to shut my door because my boyfriend is being very loud. It wasn't $42. It was, how much was it? I gotta look back on September and see how much it was. $78. And that was on credit card. All right. Then on the third we have our student loans, and that is usually $127. We already paid that for this month. Usually I try to pay ahead of schedule. Let's see, the fifth is the light bill, which I do not have a sticker from La Trousse, so we're just going to use Simply Cami that she gracefully added on my total, or on my purchase. And the light bill is $68 this month, and I still have one more that I have to pay. Alright, so let's see. Insurance and car, and then phone. So insurance comes out on the 20th, but since it's on a Sunday, my mom will take it out on the 18th. So we are just going to say insurance, and that's $145. And she'll actually take that out when I get paid again. All right, and then car and phone, which I do not have any of that. So we're just going to have to look in our little trusty thing and see if Cami has gracefully put something for me. So let's see. I think I'm going to do blue. And these are just extra. This is in her shop if you want. So we're just going to do car and phone on one. Alright, so phone is usually $100, and then car is usually $498, so let's just do $598. And if it sounds like I'm trying to hurry, I kind of am, because I'm on call for the hospital right now. So I don't know when I will be called in, because we were super busy today. Alright, you guys, so that is that. Now we're going to do our payday stickers, which I need to find payday stickers, and I know she sent me some. I should have already had this out, but I don't, so bear with me. We're just going to do all kinds of colors today, you guys. Alright, so I am getting paid on the 4th. Let's put it down here so it won't be jumbled with those stickers. And I'm getting paid on the 18th. Let's put it right there. Alright. Alright, you guys, so that is our layout for October. Now we are going to flip the page, and I'm going to do just like I set up for September. So we're going to have check-in, income and bills, and then our sinking funds. So let me just write that down so y'all will know. So it'll be check-in, and then what's the next one? Income and bills, yeah. Income / bills. And then sinking funds. Which will go right here. I still have nothing for this, which I should have moved my October goals, which if you have not seen that, go ahead and check that out because it literally just posted today. Should have moved it here, but it's fine. Alright, you guys, so to not make this long, we are going to most likely fast forward it, put a little bit of music, and then get right into it so y'all won't be watching like a 30-minute video.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet. I would feel my heart beat when you looked and smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet. I would feel my heart beat when you looked and smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
There you have it, folks. So I hope y'all like this kind of video with some music and just fast forward through it. I mean, you're not missing much. I've already updated you guys a little bit about my life in the past couple of videos. So I just thought that this would be easier. So this is the October layout. I have all my bills and my paydays laid out. And then when you flip, this is my check-in. So there will be 4 check-ins to be looking out for. And then there's income, so I'll be having 2 paychecks, and then my bills. And then here is my sinking funds, which I'm super excited about this one. And as always, go and follow Simply Cami on Instagram and YouTube. Her stuff will be down below. All right, you guys, so make sure you go and subscribe down below so you won't miss any of my budgeting, my grocery hauls, my weekly meal plan, anything and everything like that. Let me know also if y'all have a channel, because I will go and come and visit y'all, get to know y'all, support y'all in any way possible. And I hope y'all have a good weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.